Hello beautiful lovers, welcome back to my channel Fashion Fables. If you are new my channel, please subscribe and like my video. And today we have a special treat for you. We were diving into the world of timeless elegance with the stunning collection for women fashion dresses. If you are ready to elevate, you are stylish, stay tuned. Number 1, classic elegance. Our first category is all about classic elegance. These dresses are the epitome for timeless beauty, perfect, perfect for any special occasions, for a night out on the lawn. Let's take a look. From following maxi dress to chic cocktail dress, these pieces effortlessly blend sophistication with stylish. The classic and refined details make them a wardrobe must have for any fashion forward woman. Number 2, modern glamour. Now let's shift gears and explore modern glamours. These dresses are designed to turn heads and make statements. Get ready for some stopping looks. Bold colors, silk lines, and daring cuts define this collection. Whether you are attending a red carpet event or just want to add a touch of glamour to your everyday life, these dresses will make you feel like a true fashion icon. Number 3, romantic webs. If you are fan of romantic and family stylish, this next segment is for you. These dresses embrace delicate details and soft fabrics, creating a dreamy and enchanting look. Falling skirts, intricate leg, and floral embellishments add a touch of romance to your wardrobe. Perfect for that night or any occasions where you want to exude charm and grace. And there you have it, our curated collection of elegant fashion dresses for women. Whether you lean towards classic, modern or romantic stylish, we hope this lookbook has inspired you to embrace our unique season to stylish. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumb up, like a comments with your favorite dresses, and subscribe for more fashion inspirations. Until next time, stay fabulous and fashion